Afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
See children, we have hello children, it is automatically this camera has a problem. Automatically it is off, became switched off. Okay children, so we'll start now. So we have come to the ended to the question problem session. That is all circles and finding the angles using our three theorems. Okay, children, I'll show the three theorems to you. 1 minute. See children, for doing our problems, we have three important theorems like this. Okay. First one is important theorem. First one is the angle subtended by the center is double the angle subtended by at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Suppose if it is 100 degree, this is 50 degree. This is one theorem which is important. Clear? Center angle is double the angle at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Clear? This you know, theorem 8. The next important one is angle in the same segment are equal. Same segment. We have drawn this like this. Do you remember this type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If one is 30 degree, this also will be 30, this also will be 30, this also will be 30. Angle in the same segment are equal. Clear. Then third one is another one. Semicircle subtends an angle right angle. Semicircle subtends a right angle. Semicircle subtends a right angle. This we are using here. Then one more is there. Cyclic quadrilateral. When you draw a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles sum will be equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles. So just note down these 4 points. We are doing all the questions, one or the other theorem will be used here. Just note down as a rough sketch. See, again the camera became off. You understood this now? This angle A plus angle B, when you add, you will get 180 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Note that down. Did you note down, children? Hello? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, children. Shall I continue? Just note
Yes,
down with, okay. Yes. Now we will move to the next question. Is it question number 2?
4.
Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. In figure, angle ABC equal to 69 degree. Angle ACB equal to 31 degree. Find angle BDC. See why you are not coming for the remedial, children. I am giving a different questions. Not in the class, what I have explained, I am not giving in the remedial class. I am taking some other questions. And I am explaining that. And yesterday, only few girls were present. Not the same one. Different questions we will discuss. Okay, children. See, look at the board now. Look at the board. It is angle BDC. We have to find this angle. Clear, children? This angle we have to find. BDC. Hello? Are you listening?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to find that angle, BDC, angle BDC. It is very easy. If we find this angle, if any other way, if you find this angle, we can find that. Why? Why, children? What is the reason? Are you familiar with this figure?
A segment here.
Yes?
A segment.
Angles in the same segment are equal. Correct. So like that way you think. The way how we get the answer, we have to go like that. Okay. Now it is, how can we find this angle? There is a triangle. Can you see this triangle? We have to include the other angles which is given in the question. Can you see the triangle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, are you getting any idea to find that angle?
180 minus 69.
180 minus 69 plus
80.
It's good. You got the answer, correct? Okay. So, did you understand now? It is a triangle. Other two angles are given, so we can find the third one. We can find the third one by subtracting the sum of these two angles from 180. So, I will write that. In triangle ABC, angle BAC equal to 180 minus 69 plus 31. So 180 minus 80, 100. So it is 80. Clear, children? Now you can write what is angle BDC. What is angle BDC?
80.
80. And what is the reason? Angle in a same segment. Angle in a same segment. So like that, you should find one way to find the answer. Okay, then do you have any doubt in this, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I raise now? Shall I raise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 5. Question number 5. In figure A, B, C and D are 4 points on a circle. On a circle. AC and BD intersect at point E. Intersect at point E. Intersect at point E. Such that angle BEC equal to 130 degree and angle ECD equal to 20 degree. Find angle BAC. Okay, children, finish drawing. Hello? Finish drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to see the slide again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I'll show you which angle you have to find. Angle BAC. Angle BAC. This angle you have to find. This is our required angle. But which is the way to find that? Which angle you have to find? S? B? Hello children, if you find BDC, it will be easy for us. Clear? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Angle in the same segment. Isn't it? Angle in the same segment. So if we find that BDC, it will be easy for us. Okay. Now we will find out one way to find the answer. Now can you see this triangle, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any way to find that angle which is marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, linear pair.
Linear pair. Very good. Which is the linear pair?
130.
130. So this is the linear pair's other part. How much it will be?
50.
50. Correct. Now can you find that angle? Top one.
No, 110.
How much?
110.
110, because that angle sum is, triangle sum is 180. And now what about this angle, our required angle?
110.
110 itself, because it is angles in the same segment. Okay, children, now if you think that there is no way, it is difficult, you cannot come out. You just think, connect your theorems, then you will get the answer. Okay, children, so I will write the proof now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we do
Yes.
exterior angle theorem?
Yes. Exterior angle theorem you can use. Where?
Ma'am, vertically opposite angle 130. Then we
Vertically opposite angle then. Correct,
Yeah.
correct. Yes, who told that answer? Ashik.
Abin.
Maybe.
Ebin Thompson. Okay. Correct. What Ebin is telling, very good, excellent. Okay. What he is telling that you can find this 130, right? Vertically opposite angle. And it is the exterior angle of this triangle. Because when you get 130 by adding 110 and 20. So 20 is given. How to get 130? If you add 110, you will get 130. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Vertically opposite angle 130 is given. So find the vertical opposite angle. So that is also 130. And when you draw this is exterior angle. 1 minute. This is exterior angle. Oh my God. Let me take another color. Okay, this 130. 130 is exterior angle of this angle and this angle. When you add this, you will get 130. So 110 plus 20, when you add, you will get 130. So 20 is given. So the other angle is 110. Like that way you can find. Clear, children? So note down somewhere. Now I will give our previous proof only. So angle's name is CED. Angle CED equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50, because it is linear pair. Therefore, in triangle ECD, 51 is CD, EDC equal to angle EDC equal to EDC equal to 180 minus 50 plus 20 equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110. Therefore, angle BAC equal to 110 degree itself, because angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Same segment. Okay, children? Hmm. Okay, children. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is 48, 10 more minutes. Okay, so it is enough for us to find. Yes. Question number 6. Question number?
6.
Yes.
6.
Yes. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So when I tell cyclic quadrilateral, you should remember the property. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in which AC and BD are its diagonals. We have one more period, right, children? Diagonals. If angle DBC equal to 55 degree and angle BAC equal to 45 degree, find angle BCD. See children, I marked the angle given. In the textbook, in the figure, it will not be given. You have to mark it accordingly. Okay, children. So, I'll show you BCD. BCD. Angle BCD, we have to find angle BCD. That means this total angle full we have to find. Clear? BCD. Hello? Hello, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now look at here. There is one easy method, then it will be very easy if you get it. Okay, I will draw with another color. Okay, children, look at this code DC. Can you see that code DC, DC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This code is subtending an angle here. What is that angle, children?
55.
55. The same chord is subtending another angle. Look at that end point. End point. The same chord is subtending another angle here, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, it is turned. The figure is turned like this. It should come, figure should come like this, right? But it is turned.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Can you find that angle then?
55.
55 itself. Clear? Now, can you find C? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
50.
No, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is the property of cyclic quadrilateral?
Ma'am, is it 80?
Yes, 80. How did you get?
Ma'am, angle BCD 80.
Yes, yes. How
Ma'am,
did you get?
100 minus 80.
100 minus 80. Yes, yes. How did you get that?
Ma'am, 180 minus 100.
How did you get that?
Ma'am,
What is the
opposite
property
angles
used?
of a cyclic
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral is equal to
Opposite
180.
angles, when you add, you will get? You will
180.
get 180 degrees. So total, you have to find this total. 45 plus 55 is 100. So 180 minus 100, that is 80. So when you add 80 and 100, it should be 180 degree. Clear, children? Shall we write the proof now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle CAD equal to 55 itself. This is the most important part in this because angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment. Now, angle BAD equal to 45 plus 55 equal to 100. 100. Therefore, angle BCD equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, children? Finish? Okay, finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. Now we have one more period, so I will continue. We'll continue now. Okay, children. Shall I wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.